Hi, welcome to Vedic Astro Mind. Here we meet again in my sixth video, and today I am really excited to say where the planet is excited. When I say where the planet is excited, if you remember my previous video, you have seen the birth chart, how to read a birth chart in Hindu calendar. If you just feed your birth details, you will see the birth chart contains 12 zodiacs. 12 zodiacs means 12 boxes. 12 boxes are nothing but 12 houses. That house is nothing but has significance like its character, one's influences our life. Means one situation enter in our life is experienced by the zodiac houses, and planet in that house shows the what we have to do and what we are doing it, what our brain is doing it. That's how our planets are connected with our brain and the situations are connected with zodiac. Today I'm going to tell what if planet is in such house is own house, or its exaltation house, or its Mula Trikona house, or its debilitation house. I'll just say what is own house. Own house of any planet is like one is most natural and comfortable in own house. Same planet character will also be like that. And similarly, Mula Trikona of planet is its one's office. A person in Mula Trikona of planet is like a powerful and duty minded. One's perform is official job in Mula Trikona of planet. If planet is in Mula Trikona, that person is really focused in career. Whatever he do in his life, it's has his character of the planet Mula office. Planet office means Jupiter. Jupiter is a Mula Trikona character is nothing but upholding dharma. So the person will be upholding dharma. And if Mercury, intelligent communication, arguments is the duty assigned to Mercury. So like each planet has a Mula Trikona character. I'll just say what is Mula Trikona for each planet today. And yes, exaltation. Exaltation sign is nothing but one is really excited to be in that place, like a favorite party or picnic, and the planet is really excited to be in that place. Debilitation means exactly opposite to the exaltation point. Debilitation, he is really hate that place, he doesn't want to go to that place. Like unhappy person stuck in a place that he hates is debilitation point. If planet is in debilitation point, like Jupiter is in debilitation point, that person will be a dumb. Why? Because the Jupiter is a significator for knowledge, perception, intelligence, wisdom. Those things will be debilitated, means Jupiter cannot give those significance for that person if that person has a birth chart a debilitation Jupiter, like that. So today I'll just tell you what are the planet houses. If you didn't see my third video, fourth video, please look at it, because in third video I explained what is zodiac in particular, what is its character, and similarly what is a planet and planet character in fourth video. Please look at it, because it's a continuation from basic to advanced to know about yourself. Once you know about yourself, you can do a miracle. You can control your brain. You know what happening for you and what will happen for you and how to control it. So that's beautiful. I just write a chart, will explain which is house is having a own house for any planet. Yeah. Twelve hours are nothing but it's from center 360 degree divided into 12 equal parts, 0 to 30, 30 to 60, and again like that from 0 to 360 degree. So it is a natural zodiac starting from Aries. I am just writing symbol today: Taurus and Gemini and Cancer and Leo and Virgo and Libra and Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. This is the natural zodiac of 12 houses. And if we from the point of Earth, the planet will be in any one of these houses only. If the planet is from 0 to 30 degree, it will be in Aries. So like that. And a planet is in any house means that house will be his friend house, or his own house, or his enemy house, or his exaltation house, or his Mula Trikona house, or his debilitation house. Only this much it has. And depending on that, the planet is going to give you the results for you. Yes, first I'm going to explain what are the own houses. First we will start with the sun and moon, because they are the father and mother, and the sun and moon has only one houses. Yeah. Sun owns Leo and moon owns Cancer. Similarly, Mars and other planets owns two houses. Mars owns Aries and Scorpio. and Mercury owns Gemini and Virgo. And Jupiter owns Pisces and Sagittarius. And again Venus owns Taurus and Libra. And Saturn owns Aquarius and Capricorn. Yeah, my marker is not that much good today. Yes, sir. Now if you understand, yes, Saturn and Jupiter and Mars and Venus and Mercury all have two houses, and Moon and Sun have only one house. It's like mother and father, and other relations of them only. You don't understand why these houses really rule those zodiacs. Lot of calculations are there, and to want to learn the calculation, you can look at it. Brihat Parasara Hora Shastra. That's the best book from the Vedic astrology. Yes, and don't worry. This is just understand. Like Albert Einstein gave you E is equal to mc square. You no need to worry why he got E is equal to mc square, because he had a lot of derived many principles. Similarly, like this, we have a lot of derived many principles, and we came to that Libra is the lord of Venus. If Venus is in Libra, it's his own house, is happy and natural and comfortable. Venus is a significator for liquid money, happiness, luxurious vehicles, lot of things. And if Venus is in own house, for him everything will come from his own home, and he will be happy. Many things is there to correlate not only with Venus. You will understand later. Yeah, so these are all the own houses. If you understand, now we will go exaltation and Mula Trikona for such houses. If you see exaltation, Mula Trikona, it can be his own house or it can be in different house depending on their happiness. That is lot of meanings are there. Now I'll just explain in my bit by bit. Yeah, for a sun's Mula Trikona is in his own house. Own house is Mula Trikona of sun is Leo. From 0 to 20 degree in Leo, sun has a Mula Trikona. His sun office or sun Mula Trikona is in Leo from 0 to 20 degree. And what happened to rest? Rest is nothing but it's his own house. Rest is its in own house. So the sun's Mula Trikona is in Leo from 0 to 20 degree, and rest is its own house. You have to remember that. And sun exaltation house, where he is really excited to be placed. Sun is really excited to be in the topmost person, like first house of the natural zodiac. It's Aries. From 0 to 10 degree, sun is really excited. Means at deepest exaltation point is 10 degree. Means at 10 degree is very strong. At 9 degree is strong, but compared to 10 degree is a little bit less like that. As a deepest exaltation point, you have to remember. Sun deepest exaltation point 10 degree, and complete is his exaltation point. And debilitation point is exactly opposite to that. It's exactly 180 degree. Means in Libra, 10 degree is deepest debilitation point for sun. If sun is in Libra, he is debilitated. He is weak, he is a fall. Sun character, like administration, you don't have capability of administration, you don't administer anyone to do this like that, you don't rule, and you don't have a spiritual liking, and you don't love yourself most of the thing, because sun is significator for soul and he likes its soul. If sun is debilitated, he himself has a thing of that, he doesn't like himself. Character, the character will change by planet understanding. If you know that sun is debilitated, you can please the sun. How you can please the sun? Just give a water in a copper early morning to the sun, and you can also pray one mantra is there. It's Aditya Hridayam. You can't do that, just give a water. Still, if you can't do anything, just visit temples, because sun lives in a temple places. So if your debilitated sun will give you positive energy when you make himself happy. How you can make himself happy? Like visiting temple and eating sun favorite taste, like that. Everything is easy only when you understand. This is completely a knowledge about yourself. And planets, planet is nothing but you only. Your brain has a connection with planet. Yeah, we will tell you in future why these things have, the astrology have effect on humans, and planets have effect on humans. We'll discuss everything in future. Yes, and now if you understand, sun exalted in Aries and deepest exaltation point is 10 degrees. Similarly, moon, if you go, moon own house is Cancer and moon is exalted in Taurus at 3 degree, means 3 degree is the deepest exaltation point for the moon. For moon, 3 degrees is the deepest exaltation point in Taurus, and for moon debilitation point is a 3 degree in Scorpio, means exactly 3 degrees deepest debilitation point for moon. If moon is in Scorpio, the moon, it doesn't have a good sleep, because moon is a significator for mind, and mind is in watery sign. He always imaginative in his sleeping hours also. Anytime he is having only thinking, but the thinking not giving a good result. Any task he has to take, he will only think. He don't do a task, action he won't do it, just only thinking. If it is my moon is in Scorpio, you have to please the moon. How? I'll tell you remedy later. Yeah, and moon is excited in Taurus. For that person, definitely his mind is his power. Whatever he thinks, he will do it. He do it in action. That is mind capability in moon in Taurus. Yes, and now we will see Mars. Mars exaltation position in Capricorn, and deepest exaltation position is 28 degree. And deepest debilitation portion of Saturn is again in Cancer. I mean, Cancer, if Mars is there, is really weak and fall. And the deepest debilitation point is 28 degree. And similarly, Mars Mula Trikona is in his own house, 0 to 12 degree. From 0 to 12 degree, Mars Mula Trikona, and rest is its in own house. And I forgot to say Moon's Mula Trikona. Moon's Mula Trikona is in Taurus only from 3 to 27 degree. From 3 to 27 degree, Moon's Mula Trikona. From 0 to 3 degree, Moon's exaltation portion. And 3 to 27, remember, it's a Mula Trikona. It's really a lot of confusion will be happening. What is this? One in single house, it has exaltation Mula Trikona. Has a lot of meanings on that. We'll discuss. Yeah, and as I tell you, Mars Mula Trikona is 0 to 12 degree, and rest is his own house, and his exaltation is 28 degree in Capricorn. Deepest exaltation is 28 degree. Similarly, if you go Mercury own house is Gemini, completely Gemini is his own house. In Mercury Virgo, from 0 to 15 degree is its exaltation house. In his own house only, 0 to 15 degree is its exaltation house. From 15 to 20 degree, it's 5 degree is its Mula Trikona. Means in Virgo, from 15 to 25 degree is its Mula Trikona, and rest is its in own house. And if you go to Jupiter, in Jupiter, Sagittarius in his own house, from 0 to 10 degree is its Mula Trikona, and rest is being his own house. And if you go Pisces, complete Jupiter Pisces is its own house, and the Jupiter exaltation house is Cancer, and 0 to 5 degree. 5 degree is the deepest exaltation point, and complete Cancer for Jupiter is exaltation only, means deepest exaltation is 5 degree. You have to understand, when I say 5 degree is the deepest exaltation for Jupiter, means yes, at 5 degree is really highly excited. And if you go Venus owners are Taurus and Libra. In Libra is Mula Trikona is 15 degree. 0 to 15 degree is its Mula Trikona, and the rest is being its own house. And Venus is exalted. Venus is really exalted in Pisces from 0 to 27 degree. Means in 27 degrees deepest exaltation point, and complete in Pisces Venus is exalted only, but at 27 degrees has a deepest exaltation point. And Saturn Mula Trikona is 0 to 20 degree in Aquarius, and the rest is its own house. And if you see Saturn exaltation house, Saturn is exalted in again Venus, and its deepest exaltation point is 20 degree. For Saturn, means for Saturn deepest exaltation house is in Libra, and exaltation point is 20 degree. Even I will share a screen which contains deepest exaltation house and degree everything. And if you consider Rahu is exalted in Gemini. Rahu is exalted in Gemini. Again, Rahu and Ketu are always 180 degree apart. So Ketu is exalted in Jupiter, because Jupiter knowledge. Ketu is also signifying knowledge. So Ketu is exalted in Sagittarius and Rahu, and vice versa. Rahu is debilitated in Jupiter. Rahu is debilitated in Jupiter. Similarly, Ketu is debilitated in Gemini. you have to remember all these things. Rahu is debilitated in Sagittarius, Ketu is debilitated in Gemini, and vice versa. Ketu is again very exalted in Sagittarius, and Rahu is exalted in Gemini. And they have also have own houses. So Ketu also have own house called Scorpio, and Rahu has own house Aquarius. And why this lot of things are there means, I'll tell you. Jupiter, I'll give you example for Jupiter is a sattvic and dharmic planet. It's also perception, wisdom, and also a knowledge, perceiving. He is really happy if he is having a own house like a 12th house. 12th house is a natural house, and 12th house is significant for moksha, liberation, meditation. So these are all the things which is really happy for Jupiter, and is comfortable like home. That's why Jupiter is own house is species, and this is a watery sign. And if you go, Sagittarius is the Mula Trikona. So Sagittarius is a fiery sign. Jupiter as a sattvic is also a dharmic. Dharmic means he has to uphold dharma. Upholding dharma means you have to sentence someone's crime, you have to sentence him like prisoning or someone's death. If you remember Jupiter avatar Vamana killing the demon Bali, he did it with a sense of duty, but he doesn't like his job. That's why his Mula Trikona is in Sagittarius, but he is really excited in Cancer. Means its Cancer is not his own house, but still he is excited in Cancer. Why? Because in a natural zodiac, fourth house signifies the learning, and it's again a wet watery sign. You can see in my third video what are the signs of zodiacs. Watery sign is imaginative, and fourth house learning. Jupiter really excited to do learning and imaginative things, but he doesn't really like his job. That's why he is not excited in his own house. But if you take a Mercury, his Mula Trikona and his excitation is everything is in own house. That too, it's a sixth house of natural zodiac. Sixth house of natural zodiac is arguments, and again Mercury is a significator for intellectual and communication. Intelligent communication, arguments are the job assigned to Mercury. So Mercury is really excited to do argument jobs. That's why Mercury is excited in his own house, but Jupiter is not excited in own house, because Jupiter doesn't like a job. Jupiter doesn't like to be job. Jupiter want to be a sattvic freelancer. He want to be free, and he has to uphold dharma. But upholding dharma is his job. To like it or not, he has to do it. That's why he still has a Mula Trikona is in own house from 0 to 10 degree, and rest is its own house. But Jupiter likes learning, imaginative. That's why Jupiter is exalted. At deepest exaltation point is 5 degree. Similarly, other planets also. You can understand, if you understand the planet character and the zodiac character, you can understand. And yes, and Ketu Mula Trikona is also there. I just forgot to say, Ketu Mula Trikona is species. Ketu Mula Trikona is species, and again Rahu Mula Trikona is Virgo. Means really Rahu like arguments, communication, right? That's why Rahu Mula Trikona is Virgo. But Ketu is meditation, moksha also. Ketu likes to give moksha. Is headless body. He doesn't head, so he's always in a meditation lifestyle. So that's why Ketu likes Upasana, liberation house. That's the job assigned to Ketu. So Mula Trikona of Ketu is Pisces. Like that, you need to understand. You need to do your own research to understand yourself better than my video, because my video in very less time I am giving you much information. I don't know you are capable to understand or not. And if you understand everything this, the planet is really good in own house, exalted house, and Mula Trikona house, but it has a subtle difference in its mind, planet mood. So you need to understand that, and you need to overcome your life with the help of planet. Apart from these three, own house, Mula Trikona, and exaltation, planet is also happy in any of his friend house. So in next video I am going to say which planet has a relationship with which planet, how friendly they are, and how neutral they are, and how enemy they are. Yes, and this is what I wanted to say. And really thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.